Keyboard shortcuts. Let's talk about them. But first, welcome to the daily voiceover huddle, which is normally live, but today not so much. Hello again from the past. I just got out of my DeLorean after punching it to 88, and I'm actually speaking to you while I'm at the One Voice conference in Dallas. So, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell as usual. And of course, my name is Mike Hathcote, and we do this every Monday, not every Monday, we do this every weekday morning. And want to talk about voiceover and growing your voiceover business and that kind of thing. So welcome. Also, today is the last day to sign up for the replay of Kayla's Upwork class that she had back on Tuesday. So if you weren't able to attend the live one, you can still get it at the sale price, the replay, in the description below. So don't forget to do that if you did miss it. And once you get it, it will be in your member area forever. So you can watch it at your leisure. Okay, we can't do any shout outs today since I'm not really here, but I still want to talk about some keyboard shortcuts. And I'm a big fan of being efficient. And I love my keyboard shortcuts for everything from, just regular, copying and pasting and that kind of thing, to also doing my editing and processing for my VO. So if you don't use keyboard shortcuts, I would, suggest that you do if you want to cut down on the time it takes to do a lot of your editing and processing. Most DAWs, if not all DAWs, meaning digital audio workstations or, recording software, has the ability to set up keyboard shortcuts for all your editing process. When you first set these up, if you're not used to using them, they can be a little hard and clunky, but I promise the more you use them, the easier it gets, all the way to the point of kind of where I am now, where I can literally edit what I'm working on without even looking down. Mouse in one hand, left hand on the keyboard. I can just hit keys just out of muscle memory while I'm recording, and it makes the editing process go so much faster because, time is money. And if you can cut, some clicks and stuff off of your time when you're editing stuff, it can really add up and give you a lot of time back. Depending on whatever DAW you're using, I'm sure there's a YouTube video on how to set up shortcuts for that, keyboard shortcuts. So if you haven't tried it, give it a try. I promise you, even though there's a little bit of a learning curve when you first start, it gets easier every single time. And, especially if time is short and you're trying to, say, get an audition in quickly, especially like on pay-to-plays where it really pays you to be fast on your submissions. It can really save you a lot of time, as opposed to going up and hitting drop downs every time. I literally have keyboard hotkeys where I can hit a single button and it runs my entire effects rack. It just goes boom, 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 and adds, the EQ and compression and, noise gate and all that kind of stuff on there with a single button, as opposed to having to go through each little step or even going up and hitting it on your screen. So look into it. Keyboard shortcuts, big time saver. And that's it. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I'll see you back here on Monday live, because I will be back from One Voice at that point. So until then, break a lip. See you later.